So the city came by and said they want that fixed and they want a new exhaust fan because it's not really doing its job. It's kind of unfortunate because we got a bathroom right here, back-to-back bathrooms, so how am I going to strap that without cutting out the, dang, that thing is, look at that. Holy cow. How does that get so dusty in a bathroom though? Dang. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cut open this tile right along the grout lines. Using one of these grout blades. I'm gonna maybe see if I can take this off, if there's any way to strap it without opening up this tile, but I don't. Look at that. See what I can do. This handle's not coming off. I've looked in here for the screw hole and there's no screw hole right here. So it's got to be maybe here or to the side, I don't know. But instead of complicating this, I don't really need to get this off, so I'm not going to be able to strap it from back here. So I'm just gonna open this up. I think you'll be able to reuse that. That's pretty clean, huh?
Oh, heck yeah. That's all. You might have to do that, man. Oh, you got a piece of wood right there, Stud?
Well, that makes it easy.
Put a little 2x4 on the side of that.
Yep. It's not quite thick enough. Got a little clay here. But I do have some shims. You could just shim, attach this piece, and then shim it. Now, sometimes you just need this tool. You just need a carpenter saw. There's just no getting around it. You gotta have a carpenter saw. As a plumber, you just have to. Alright, so now I got shims in here somewhere. I just can't. Oh, there they are. This is my little area of my van. I put stuff that I don't use very often. And shims are one of those. Wood shims, I should say. How do you think? How do you think to... If I hold it, you think you could sink one from the right side here? Or do I need to open up? If I open up this other tile, I can do it. But
what if you...
I have the right angle attachment for the impact, but you gotta... That thing doesn't work good unless you really put pressure on it. It wouldn't... I don't think it would go through this either. You really gotta push on that sucker.
If we toenail it this way, and then leave it out too, some this way, so you could put the rest of the tile out.
Ah, good idea, yeah. Yeah, I can... Whoa, I don't want to drop that. I'll put it down like that.
Yeah.
And then you can use that for the tile. That's perfect.
Strap it. I was thinking screw one of the straps on that side and then fish the...
What do you mean?
Like you got the flexible straps, right? So just kind of like take it out.
Oh, you're talking about the I
Not
think
the plastic one, the copper one. But you could the strap on the strap with the hose. So just screw it in here first. Put this in there and then.
Oh, then bend it around.
Oh,
yeah, that's not a bad idea. That's pretty smart, actually. I didn't see that back there. What about that? I didn't even see that.
Fucking wood. I wonder what.
All right. All right, change of plans. I didn't see this initially, this piece of wood in the back there. So this is this piece of wood is 1 3/8, and if I cut another block and we just stack them, it should be perfect. And then we can use one of these guys because that's the proper way to do it. I'd like to have this straight on the pipe here to really support it. So I'm gonna cut another one of these real quick. All right, that worked perfectly. Got a couple pieces of wood back here. And then put that guy right like that. And that'll be it. Okay, so the issue we're running into is this is out too far. So we're gonna have to, so maybe this, yeah, I'm gonna have to take these out because this needs to sit flush. I mean, I could just cut this but this is still gonna be, this ain't right here. We gotta do this again. All right, we took this one out. Now it's all flush as it's gonna get. So I guess that would still work if we could
stack some shims. Huh?
Yeah, the problem with the shims is they when you screw through them, they split. That one's split right there. I'm gonna need to take that out. You know, the side right here may work because that's right up against it. But that would be, I would have to open up this tile right here. Dang. All right, and there you go. So we put the block back there. Then we screwed in some shims. This is really in there. So,
I wonder what the comments.
what is it?
I wonder what the comments are gonna be like.
They'll freaking should have opened up the entire wall.
The right way would have been if.
Yeah, the right way would have been to do this the right way from the beginning. You got a 2x4 here, and then the other 2x4 is over here. You just needed a piece of wood. That's it. Now you're gonna have fun getting this back in. But the owner didn't want to open up the whole friggin' wall, so you know, you tell me. Sometimes you gotta make it work. All right. Well, now that this doesn't have any play in it. All right, there you go. So I want to hear what you guys would do. The owner says, don't want to open up the entire wall because this is a rental. They're not trying to spend a whole lot of money. They want a quick, easy fix. There you go, quick and easy. That's on there now. Maybe not properly strapped with like a hold right or, one of the copper straps. I mean, what do you tell the owner? You'd say, hey, we got to open this up or I'm not doing the job, or do you take the job and just get it done? I want to hear what you guys would do.